Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting the audio clip you want to fix in Premiere Pro. Right-click the audio clip and choose Audio Gain from the context menu. The Audio Gain dialog opens with options to set gain, normalize, or reset adjustments. Click Reset Gain to return clip gain to 0 dB and remove custom adjustments. You can also use Shift+G as a shortcut to open audio gain quickly on a selected clip. This returns the clip to its native level before any manual gain changes. If you applied a gain effect, open the Effects Control panel for that clip. Open the Effects Control panel and locate the Gain or Amplify effect entry. Click the effect name to reveal parameters and visual keyframes if present. Select the gain effect and press Delete to remove any applied gain effect. Removing the effect stops additional processing and restores original clip audio behavior. After removal, play the clip to confirm the audio returns to its expected level without added gain. To manage loudness consistently, use Normalize Max Peak or Match Loudness tools. Use Normalize Max Peak to set the loudest sample to a target, for example -6 dB, which lowers spikes without extra plugins. Choose Match Loudness to target LKFS values like -23 LKFS for broadcast compliance and consistent streaming levels. Normalize changes gain values on the clip, while Match Loudness adjusts integrated loudness across multiple clips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.